Okay, so let's move on to our very last tab, which is the transform tab. And what that does is it basically adds variation, so we can use one model over and over, adding translate X, Y, and Z, adding rotation, and adding scale. So it makes it seem like you have these gigantic forests when in fact you only have a handful of models. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my object, the scatter, and then I'm going to go to surfaces. I'm going to add in this surface, and then I'm going to go to areas and I'm going to add in this spline. So now we have that populating our scene. And like we said, we've done distribution, so we can bring this down, scale the image down and make it a bit more dense. But the issue is now is that every object is the exact same scale, it's in the exact same translation, and it's in the exact same rotation. The only thing that's changing the variation is this distribution. So let's go into the transform values and go one by one. So first of all, I want to enable the translation. So it moves in a random spot, 20 in the X, minus, plus, Y, minus, plus. And you can add in Y as well, and it'll go up and down. So you can add in maps, and you can add in color maps, and probability map is in by default for the translation. So you can add in your own maps and create your own scattered. Most times there's no real need unless you have something very specialized that you need to get done. So again, we can add rotation, and now you can see everything's a bit rotated. And again, little values add a lot of believability. If you start bringing these up too much, it starts making, and again, it's case by case what you need and what you want. So the very next one after rotation is we have scale. And this adds in a bunch of variation on the scale end. So you can increase this again as high as you want and as low as you want. And then you get that variation. And just like that, with one object, it looks like it's not the same one repeated over and over. It's different objects. And that's pretty much all you need to know in translation. If you've gone through all these fundamentals, this is the end, and we'll move on now to more project-based approaches and some more exciting stuff. So I appreciate if you've made it all the way here so far. We're now going on to more exciting things.